Guys, we have finally reached our destination, and I will show the place where we are staying. Let me tell you where we are. We are in the town of Hartola in Uttarakhand, and here's the view. Hello, and welcome to a brand new series, New Year edition. मैं हूँ नेहा, a girl in the midst, और this is our story. You think you've explored so many beautiful places by now that you will never be blown away by any other place. And then you go to another gem of a place, which takes you back to the feeling of falling in love again with that special place. हम ऐसे ही एक जर्नी पे निकले हैं आज to celebrate the new year of 2021, leaving behind so much that has happened over the past year of 2020, if you know what I mean. So, without wasting any more of your time, let's get into it and get ready to find yourself awestruck yet again. Here we go. तो गाइस एक पिट स्टॉप लिया है कुछ खाने के लिए और वॉशरूम ब्रेक, राइट? सो वी विल जस्ट गो इनसाइड एंड ईट समथिंग नाउ. सो या. तो अभी हम रुक रहे हैं ये देखो क्या कर रहे हैं पेजेस. तो हम रुके हैं कुछ खाने के लिए और ये हमारी फेवरेट प्लेस है जब भी हम उत्तराखंड साइड जाते हैं. इसका नाम है मोगा और बहुत ही मस्त खाना मिलता है और यूजुअली बहुत क्राउडेड होता है, बट राइट नाउ एज यू कैन सी एक ही फैमिली है, बट वो भी काफ़ी लाउड है, बट इट्स ओके. आई थिंक यू कैन हियर मी. हाँ, कम लोग हो गए हैं, बट विच इज़ गुड. बट ये भी हो सकता है कि हम इतनी जल्दी आ गए हैं यहाँ पे जब अभी सिर्फ 7:45 बज रहे हैं यहाँ पे. तो यहाँ पे कुछ खाएंगे फिर यहाँ से निकलेंगे. तो प्लान तो मैंने बता दिया वैसे भी कि हम जाएंगे यहाँ से हल्द्वानी हम पहुँचेंगे 11:30 तक. अपने फ्रेंड्स को पिक करेंगे एंड देन वी विल गो टू द एक्चुअल डेस्टिनेशन. सो या दैट्स इट. तो अभी हम कुछ खाना ऑर्डर कर रहे हैं, आलू के पराठे, बटर टोस्ट, एंड दैट विल बी आवर ब्रेकफास्ट. एंड देन वील हैव अ कप ऑफ टी एंड अ कॉफी. सो दैट्स दैट. After breakfast, we quickly headed out towards Haldwani. had always enjoyed this highway. I think it is beautiful and serene, surrounded by these tall trees all along. And like that, we reached Haldwani, a quaint city in the Uttarakhand valley. हल्द्वानी से माल पिकअप हो गया.
Why are we on?
Say hi, Zainu.
Zainu, say hi.
Zainu, say hi.
Hello.
First say hi. हाँ hi बोलो. Flying kiss दो. और round and round सुनाओ पहले.
Round and round.
Well, and that pretty much happened all along the route. And so we left Haldwani for our next destination, or rather our final destination. And I know it's quite of a cliche saying that the journey is better than the destination, but here it is actually equally beautiful, with beautiful long broad roads, at least most of the times, and hardly had any bumps. And not to forget, some absolutely breathtaking views on the journey. Let's take a look.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright, and for the first time in a long time I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago.
And finally, there they were, the mighty Himalayas.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays.
And then, during the period of twilight between complete darkness, we reached our destination at dusk. And while the light of the blue hour still shining upon us, peeking through the mountains, that was our home for the next 3 days. And that was our day 1 in Hartola, in this beautiful property surrounded by apple orchards. We'll see you again in the next episode very soon, so stay tuned and do not forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, help your girl grow, and do check out my Instagram on girl_in_the_midst for amazing stories and beautiful pictures. See you then. Ciao. Coming up in the next episode, let's go inside. My God.
Way back a year ago.